Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're old subscriber, thanks for the love and thanks for coming back. If you're a new subscriber, grab a seat guys and let's get started. So today we're going to be using natural products to create this natural hair shampoo for our natural hair. So let's get started guys. I will put all the list of benefits in the description guys. The first ingredient you need is your African black soap. I got mine from Ghana and it's pure African black soap. The next thing you will need is your apple cider vinegar with the mother. The next thing you need is your coconut oil, and we're using raw organic coconut oil guys. The next thing you will need is your castor oil, and we're using one from Glammednaturaloil. Another powerful product that you will need is your shea butter, and mine is from Ghana. You can cook with this shea butter, it's raw shea butter. You will need this thing that I don't know what you call it in English guys. English is not my first or second language guys, so I'm trying, bear with me. So the next thing you need is your lavender oil, and it smells amazing guys. So let's get started now guys, get the work done. So I'm just gonna keep quiet now in the video and just leave you to watch what I'm doing. I don't think I need to talk, and I'm sure you're tired of my voice anyway, so I'll just leave you to it and you watch what I'm doing in the video. It's very simple, you can do it. So I'm gonna shut up now and then you can enjoy the video. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. And also, just to mention, the reason why I'm using a lot of oils in this video is because the black soap can be really can be really drying because it's raw. Black soap is not mixed with anything, so that's why I'm using a lot of oils in this video. And you can use anything you have, you don't need to use all these oils. The reason why I'm using Glammednaturaloil and Glam products is because it's really natural. It's 100% organic. That's why I'm using their products in this video. And if you're in the UK and you want to buy Glammednaturaloil or any of their products, I'll leave it in the description and you can go check them out. And we moving mad. So me let on the pump, put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you're gonna make fabulous natural shampoo that is good for your natural hair. And thank you for staying with me. See you in my next video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.